Do you know what caused the fishery collapse in the Black Sea a few years ago? It was an invasive organism transferred by ballast water from the Atlantic Ocean. Now, look at the ship. When it sails empty, without cargo, its tanks need to be filled with water in order to provide the balance. This water, ballast water, is known as one of the biggest carriers of invasive alien organisms in the world. And it is a big problem for environment, but also for humans' health. It's also a big economic problem for ship owners, because according to the new regulations, all the ships worldwide will need to have installed ballast water treatment systems by 2021. However, the ship's owners are still not happy with existing solutions. We have developed an innovative, eco-friendly solution which, unlike the most technologies on the market, does not use any chemical in its operation. The idea was born as a part of my doctoral dissertation, and the breakpoint, the transition between the science and the business, was the winning the main prize at the competition by one of the largest Croatian banks, and it was the beginning of my company Balmaris and my first steps into the business world. How does it work? Our chamber is situated at the entrance to the water tank. Water passes through our chamber before entering to the tank, and before discharging, before loading on cargo, this water needs to be discharged into the sea water. However, now it is safe for environment and for the human's health. Our technology can also be used in many other areas, such as wastewater treatment, pool water treatment, food industry, and many others. So far, we have developed a functional prototype. We have Croatian patent, and our technology is in the process of obtaining international patent. We would like to license our technology for ballast water treatment area, but also to commercialize it for some other areas of application. To fulfill our goals, we need to raise our funds, to find additional partners and a good network. To sum up, the time is right, the market is huge, there is more than 70,000 ships in the world, and to give the oceans a chance to be clean. Thank you.
So thank you very much for the presentation. It's a very important idea. My question is, are there similar products, or is it the only one without chemicals you are providing?
There are similar products, but the most of products are based, as I told, on the chemicals, and they are dangerous from one side for the humans, for the crew, and also for environment where it is released. The other side, the other technology is UV, and in some conditions it is not so effective. There are some new technologies, but they are or complex or they are very expensive, and they have some disadvantages, and as I told, the ship owners are still not happy with existing solutions.
And your solution is a filter technology, or is it bacteria?
Is it not a filter? It is a combination of mechanical and physical treatment, in fact.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
very much.
Can I just add one more, so to give you a clue? To fit this into existing ships. So because it looked quite big on your picture, so is it costly for ship owners with an existing ship to fit it in, or is it more for new ships?
It is not such a problem to fit it on the ship because it has modular principle, and It depends of the size of the ship, but it is very adaptable to each space on the ship. So I think it can work on small or large ship. Thank you.
Again.